Bulavinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. The Commonwealth continues to play a leading role in global affairs, and I'm delighted to be given the opportunity to open this important side event, a high-level roundtable on what the Commonwealth can do to support the implementation of SDG 14. I particularly welcome the emphasis on maximizing the innovation and economic opportunities in the development of blue economies. I made the point when I addressed an event for the ACP countries this morning that many of us are already making great strides in this area. We may be powerless to prevent the degradation of our seas and coastlines by other nations. But for the areas we do control, some of us have already developed policies that are making a difference. And I urge you all to embrace the principle that Fiji has embraced, that no development on land or at sea must take place if there's any risk to the environment whatsoever. It is a central tenet of our Green Growth Framework and National Development Plans. And as I said this morning, we are very proud as a nation to have drawn this responsible line in the sand. I also welcome today's emphasis on mobilizing partnerships within the Commonwealth. This unique organization that binds us all together and on fairness, equity, and the empowerment of women. Because we all know that when women are empowered, they become powerful agents for change. Wherever they are in the world and in whatever capacity they are able to direct their talents. They are the backbone of our societies and in many places are already leading the way to a more sustainable future. Of course, no one knows this more than our distinguished Secretary General, Patricia Scotland, who hails from a small island developing state in the Caribbean and is a living embodiment of the leadership women can provide with empowerment. More than most, she knows the challenges we all face in the sea countries because of the steady degradation of our ocean and seas. And we certainly look forward to hearing her proposals for the development of a blue charter, a set of guiding principles for sustainable, fair, and equitable economic development of our oceans based on the Commonwealth Charter. Once again, Baroness Scotland, we thank you for your leadership on this issue and many others. The wonderful thing about the Commonwealth is the strength we all derive from our ability to share our experiences and learn from each other. And we all look forward to hearing about the challenges and successes of developing blue economies from a range of speakers who also embody the diversity of our organization. From Bangladesh, Barbados, Cyprus, Grenada and Fiji's close neighbor and friend Tonga, as well as representatives of the Commonwealth Foundation and i-Taukei. Welcome to you all and thank you for your own commitment to the great task before us this week, which is quite simply to save our oceans before it is too late. Our thanks go to the Government of the Seychelles and the Commonwealth Secretariat as our host, and I now have great pleasure to declare this high-level roundtable on the Blue Commonwealth open. And I thank you all.